Henry from Henry's Bird Room. We're going to do something a little bit different today. We're going to go do a trading. I got a couple canaries here that I'm going to try to trade to the same place that I went before, that I took you guys before, Robert's Pet Shop at the flea market here. Sometimes when you trade and you find some really cool stuff, my suggestion to you guys is value what you have. You put a lot of effort, time, and everything into it, so give as much value to your stuff as the stuff you're getting. Try to find equal to what you have, okay? And you know, and you'll be surprised. So just keep that in mind, okay? We're gonna talk more when we get there. So I'll be on my way, and I'm gonna show you now what I'm gonna be trading. Okay? Okay, let's take a look. These here are 3/4 Norwich. They're some of the babies from last year. The parents were Norwich, and the other parent was an American singer. They got the right size, but room-wise, I do not have the room at the time, and I have too many females, so I'm going to try to make a trade for something close to what I'm looking for, or to what I'm looking for. So I'm going to show you some of what I got before. They turned out to be rough, and now they're diamonds, so you could get a basic idea. So we'll look and see when we get there, okay? Hey, it's Henry from Henry's Bird Room. We're at Robert's Pet Shop at the Homestead Flea Market. As you can see, I started already. I picked a couple of them. I'm not sure exactly if they're going to be what I want. The one that looks light yellow is more like a frost. Not really what I will get, but I just put it in at least to check it out, to get an idea of what they have left here. And the other one, it's a consort, but I'm not sure if it's a male or female yet because it's kind of young. So we're gonna look around and see what else we find. There is a lot of hammerheads, but it's a couple here, a few here that have possibilities. But what I said earlier, I mean it as for myself too. Value what you have, guys, because if you're not sure about what you're getting, take it back. Okay? There's some cinnamon here. They look pretty decent, but again, my canaries are very big, as I want to show you when we get back to the house. And putting something small in that is going to start diminishing the breed, and it's going to start making it very shitty. So you gotta be careful what you buy. If you're starting out, it doesn't really matter because you're getting your feet wet, you're learning. But as time goes on, you want to start bettering it, because if you're looking to make a little money on this somewhere along the line, you want to better your stock so that it'll create a better cash flow for you guys. So let's look around. A lot of people are into that green. Green must be the new black. I see a blue one here that might be decent, and a cinnamon. See this one right here that I just picked up? It's like a silver frost. The size is not the greatest, but it actually has the form and the carriage and everything is really, really good. With this and a nice American singer, you will get really good quality to a point that you might even be able to take it to the show somewhere along the line. You see the tail? You see the tail? The tail is pretty nice. It's not curled. It's not all messed up. So it's pretty decent. Right now I don't have anything to put with it, so let's look. Keep on looking. This thing is too small. I think it's a blue one around here somewhere. Look here, guys, this is a gorgeous blue. You can see all the lines and everything are perfect. Even has the black nails, as you can see, and the black feet. This one, if you have a really good white, you can make a, if you have a nice white, Corona Gloucester, true Gloucester, you will be able to make a Harlequin. Even though the size is small, but the beak is pretty decent. So you can make something good. Let's put it over here in the cage, and it's a male. So let's look. Ooh. Now, this one, guys, you can see has a little bit of green on it, but this one is an actual bronze, but it has a little bit of mix to it. But if you look, the nails are not totally white, so that's why you could tell that it's been mixed. But with this one, with a nice bronze, all the color will come back immediately. And you might even be able to get a nice Isabel. And it's a female. Too bad though. It's good though. I have too many females already. But here we got another one. And it's molting a little bit. But it looks like a male. It's very dark. It has the coloration on the wings that it could have been, the father or mother could have been a lizard. Okay, it has the black nails, black feet, and black tail, no extra colors. This one, to a bronze or an Isabel, you will get all the colors right back. And it has decent size. So let's put it over here. So far, we have 4. 2 of them, one of them automatically is going to go back because I have a few of them out there already. They're this color. The little consort, let's make sure and see what it is. You could tell this is an actual consort, believe it or not. Remember what I said about diamond in the rough? This is a real consort, guys. A real Gloucester. Not a bullshit knockoff. This is a real Gloucester. A real consort. And has all that. It looks like it could be a female, but has the size and everything. And you could tell that's how you could tell. See, the feet are small, it's stocky, it's round, and the hair is round like a quarter. So this is a very good Gloucester. At home, I have one like this, but it's a little bit bigger and it's lighter. The problem when you get like a lot of green ones like this, you can't break up the color because the green is very, very potent. And it'll always show through everything. Unless you have a very dominant canary, it'll bring it out. The green will always dominate, and sometimes it gives you more than what you want. But it's an actual very decent looking canary. So we're down to 2, and let's look at another one, and then we're good to go. Because they close here at 6, and I still got to get my nestling food. And a few other shit that I gotta get because so we can make the food for the babies that got coming. Which, by the way, I'm gonna show you. I got about 5 or 6 canaries that's supposed to be hatching soon, and one of them is what I told you guys I was gonna try so you guys could see. It's a double corona to get and you'll see what the effects of it is. You get some balls, some ball spots, but you'll be able to see. I'll show you when we get back to the house. I'll show you exactly what I get. Here's another blue one. For some reason, it doesn't feel like rough. No, but the markings in the stomach are like a lizard. It's a red crested one. It looks like a crested. But it's not a real Gloucester, but it looks decent. Where the heck is it? Oh, here it is. It was really ratty, but... Here we go. You know when they say, guys, universe provides? We ended up finding another one. There we go, guys. There we go. This one has a split. Has a few black nails, but the rest of them are white. And you could tell the beak is bigger. That's how you could tell that it's not a true Gloucester. But I have consorts at the house that will bring this out. but it's a female. But again, since it's a red Corona, it will be worth taking because I have males at the house. It will be worth taking. Let me tell you this. I got a bronze and an Isabel at the house. They will make this come out really beautiful. So let's put this here and let's get ready to cash in and go get our stuff. Okay, hi, this is Henry from Henry's Bird. This is what we got so far. Before we shut off from you guys for a couple of minutes, I found this really cool consort. The yellow and green, that one is perfect. Remember I told you guys I was finding a diamond in the rough? That one is it right there, guys. We found that other blue one, turned out to be a male. And the fake Gloucester on top, the red Gloucester, fake Gloucester is actually a female. But you'll see after I clean it up and put it to one of my bronze, you're gonna see what's gonna come out of that. So we're gonna take 3 out of this, and we'll show you when we get home all the cool stuff that we're gonna be doing along with it. All right, guys. So see you when we get to the bird room.